Modern concrete crumbles in decades. Roman concrete has stood for 2 millennia, and it literally heals its own cracks. Welcome to History in 2 minutes. In 2023 and again in late 2025, MIT researchers finally cracked the code on Rome's legendary opus cementitium. The secret? Not just volcanic ash from Pozzuoli, but a hot mix process almost lost to time. Roman engineers mixed quicklime and volcanic ash dry, then added water. The reaction generated intense heat, leaving behind tiny white lime clasts, pockets of highly reactive calcium that modern cold-mix concrete deliberately avoids for uniformity. Watch this. When a crack forms and rainwater seeps in, these clasts dissolve, releasing calcium ions that react with the pozzolana to grow new binding minerals, calcium carbonate and tobermarite crystals, sealing the fracture in weeks to years. Self-healing, built-in. Proof. The Pantheon's unreinforced dome, still perfect after 1,897 years. Seawalls at Caesarea that have survived Mediterranean storms for 2,000 years. And a perfectly preserved construction site under Pompeii's ash that confirmed the hot mix method in December 2025. So why can't we replicate it today? Speed, scalability, and our obsession with perfect uniformity kill the reactive clasts. But one scientist has already launched a Roman-style concrete startup. Drop a comment, which lost ancient technology should we cover next?